So the conclusion of this matter is, look, the portable hard disk which they smashed. I'll give the conclusion. I found a trace that there was an image there, which shows metadata, false metadata, because according to that metadata, neither the cell phone was bought, neither this sketch was made. This sketch was made somewhere in 24/7/2009, and same day I line tested it on the same machinery where the animated papers were line tested. Getting this word? Uh, then we used to render it, then the AVI file used to get generated. But according to the metadata, this sketch was not made. I repeat it again, and I was in Pune, and it was line tested from the same machine which the animated papers were this thing line tested, and the animated papers I treated with these crayons, I treated with this color pencil for the basic form. So I know the treatment of those papers. I know entire treatment, what I did, what I not, and what all stuff I have used. So the matter is, the prostitution racket is fixing false date of images, fixing false date of files, and then they are defaming me wherever I went, and I had no clue behind my back this is happening. And that prostitution racket will always be connected to other prostitution racket. So wherever I went, that prostitution racket used to connect to their near, what do you call it? Every society has a prostitute. Every society runs a prostitution racket. So that prostitution racket connected somewhere over here, and they are defaming me the same way. The front camera recording the LAN server, stealing files and doing this. And that prostitution racket must have sold those animated papers, which I know the treatment. This part. And the metadata forgery which I caught, according to that date, neither the sketch was made, and neither the what do you call it? The cell phone was with me. Getting this part? It's a clear case. If that image is out there, they can check the metadata forgery which was captured from Nokia phone. Everyone can do the check that metadata. You will get the date after 9. What do you call it? 24 July 2009.